my family, my work, my dream. Let grace and power forever stream. At angelic prayers we roar and pray, till heaven sends more on the way. The angels are already here, the case is already unlocked. The blessing is already yours from angelic prayers. Receive it.
This is not just a song, it's a prophetic moment. Here at Angelic Prayers, angels don't just visit, they deliver. Knock at the door, I look outside, a glow so bright I almost hide. But the angel says, don't be afraid, this is the answer for which you prayed. Briefcase shining, sealed with gold, inside blessings untold. Grace, money, peace, and life